So now here are two functions. P of x is 6x squared, and q of x, which is 3 to the x. So we're going to look at the output values for different ones and see which function is going to grow faster. So what I'm going to do is just put x, and let's say we'll go from 0 to, say, 7. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll stop at 5. I'm kind of running out of room here. And then p of x here will be 6x squared. So on here, to just show how that's happening, we have 6 times 0 squared. So to practice plugging that in, 6 times 0, you can press the squared button if you want right here. And that is 0. And then we can go 6 times 1 squared, which is 6. And to practice putting that in, so 6 times 1 squared is 6. So then 6 times 2 squared, which is 24. And then 6 times 3 squared, which is 54. And I can actually go hit here if I hit second and then entry. I can arrow back and put in 3 squared is 162. And then 6 times 5 squared. Oh, that was 3 squared, so I need to put So I put in a wrong one here. So let me just go back. So I need 6 times 3 to the second power, which is 54. Just make sure I got 6 times 2 to the second power, 24. So then 6 times 4 to the second power is 96. And then 6 times 5 to the second power is 150. Let me show you another way to put that into. You can go y equals, and we have 6 times, so let me clear this out, 6 times x and then squared. And you can make a table of values right here as well. So I can verify that the numbers I got are correct. So over here, I'm going to do the same thing. We have x and then y. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then here, we're going to have q to the x, which is 3 to the x. So I'm going to plug that in, put 3 to the, remember you need this caret key, so 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the first is 3. 3 to the second is 9. 3 to the third is 27. 3 to the fourth is 81. And then 3 to the fifth is 243. So if you notice, this one was increasing more at first, and then here, the exponential function started increasing more a little bit later. If we go back, and I can show you the graph of that, so if we just put in 3 to the x, and then that's the exponential one, we can look at the two graphs. So let me just change my window here. I'm going to go from x is 0 to, say, 10, and then graph that. So there's my quadratic function. And you notice the exponential function started a little bit lower, and then it increases much faster. So this one started below 6x squared and then overtook it. So then started increasing faster.